Hey everybody, how you doing? Come on in for a few minutes.
It's been so hot out here. Oh, hello and welcome. Welcome, everybody. Welcome to Passionately and Tree Darts with Tracy and
The Mia Free Touch.
the Mia Sweet Touch, Beginner Gardening Chronicles. Outside, and my baby Bok Choy, it's been so hot out here. We have been in the 80s and 90s, believe it or not, in Michigan, that it has begun to, what do you call it, bolt. So I cut those pieces off, and I'm just going to harvest this, and I hope that the flavor is good. I don't know. We're going to see, but I need to cut it all down and back. Be real simple. And I think I leave a little bit at the bottom so that it can continue to grow. I think that's what I'm supposed to do. Put that in the basket. Here's a leaf. I'm gonna just cut them down like that, and I think they will grow some more leaves. Here you go. And that's that white powder, that diatomaceous. I never know if I'm saying it right. But I'm trying to keep the ants and bugs away. My knife must not be too doggone sharp. Here. I'm gonna sharpen this blade. So cut that down. Let me get this last one. And I'm going to there you go. I'm going to what do you call it? Parboil it and throw it in the freezer. Or either I'm gonna do a quick stir fry. I don't know. I think I cut that down enough. I think. Gotta leave something, right? I think. Take that one. Alright, let's get this one. This knife is crappy. Here you go. And I think this is baby bok choy, or is it called pak choy? I don't know. I got it at an Asian market. And what's the difference between pak choy and bok choy? That I don't know. That's a weed. Looks like a pepper. I should have left it in there. Looks like a volunteer. Oops. Maybe I'll stick it in there. 'Cause this looks like a volunteer pepper too. I'm gonna leave that right there.
You cut the leaf.
I did here. I'll get it. Here's a leaf. And one more. Okay. Cut it down. And let me close this knife. Oh boy. I have to sharpen it. And this is what we have. Show them what we have.
We got Bok Choy.
Bok choy. So take it in the house, clean it up, and it's gonna be nothing. I'm gonna probably stir fry it. I don't know. Hopefully it's not woody. Hopefully it's not too tough. Yeah, to eat it.
Already.
And we'll see if that grows. Thanks for watching. Appreciate you. See you later. Peace and love.
Peace and love. Bye.
A few moments later.